All right, so here we have to simplify each expression, and we have to list the principal root only. So that means for even indexes, we just need to list the positive. And we need to use absolute values symbols when needed. We'll talk about that in a second. So here we have the square root, so this is even, of 81 x to the fourth. The square root of 81 is 9. The square root of x to the fourth is x squared. And if you didn't remember that, to take the square root of something you're dividing the exponent. So x to the fourth divided by 2 is 2. So we get 9x squared. And since this is even, our answer must be positive. However, this answer will always be positive because 9 will always be positive and anything squared will always be positive. So this is our final answer. We don't have to do absolute values because, like I said, everything will already be positive. All right, here we have a cube root, and this can be negative or positive. So we won't have to put any absolute value restrictions at the end. So here we have a to the 12th, the cube root of that. Again, we're dividing, would be a to the 4th. 12 divided by 3 is 4. B to the 15th. 15 divided by 3 would be b to the 5th. Now here, a to the 4th would be positive. B to the 5th would be positive or negative, but that's okay because we have an odd index here. So again, no absolute value restrictions. All right, over here, this must be positive. So at the end, we'll need to visit that and make sure we satisfy that. Here we have x to the 12th divided by 4 would be x cubed. Y to the 16th divided by 4 would be y to the 4th. Now, this has to be positive. This is an even power, so this is always going to be positive regardless. This is odd, so it is not. So what we need to do is put absolute values around it to guarantee that it will be positive so that we're not violating that rule that the fourth root must be positive.